Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny, and whether you're looking for a Christmas gift or a baby shower gift, I'm going to tell you my top favorite gifts for new parents. So the first gift on the list are muslin cloths. These are very simple towels, but they're great gifts. They're very soft and they get softer as you wash them. They're wonderful for cleaning up all types of messes. If you'd like to get something a little bit bigger, muslin swaddle is also very nice. If the parents swaddle their baby, you can also use this in a crib or in a pram or stroller. And speaking of stroller, they also sell muslin stroller blankets. And this is one of my favorite things that my baby has. I would use it all the time in the summer and the winter. Muslin is great. It keeps them slightly warm and cozy, but in the summertime it keeps them cool but covered so they don't get a sunburn. My second favorite gift is a blanket. So when my good friend had her nephew born, I sent them an embroidered blanket with the baby's name. So I told them they could wrap him up every time he came to visit them. And I'm not so crafty when it comes to sewing, so I ordered mine on Etsy. But if you do know how to sew, making a handmade blanket is a really thoughtful gift. Number 3 is a teething necklace, and I'll post a picture here. But a teething necklace is a really great gift for when baby's a little bit older, but a new mom or dad can also play with the newborn baby using the teething necklace just by dangling it in front of them. And the type of teething necklace I like is all natural, made from wood and little cotton or muslin type of beads, and you can find this on Etsy. I would have loved to have gotten this as a gift, so I'm sure other moms would also like it. And if you are more crafty, you can also buy the teething kit online on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below for that. The next gift for a new parent is a gift card. So who doesn't like to have a gift card to a restaurant? This is a great gift for later on when parents are tired and they just need a break, or they want to go out together, or even go out with their baby. A gift card to a restaurant is a wonderful idea. And the last gift idea are mom and dad coffee mugs, or mom and dad teacups, or mom and dad chocolate mugs. So as a new parent, you will be reaching for caffeine anytime you can. And a coffee mug that says mom and dad, I think, will remind them every day how special they are. And if you're a breastfeeding mom, you need to stay hydrated with a water or tea, and so it'd be nice for her to have her mom cup next to her every time she's feeding her baby. So those were my new parent gift ideas. I hope you enjoyed them, and thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!